Hey, sixth grade, Mr. Gavin here. Just kind of wanted to give us a video or some instruction, especially going over that essay that we started last Thursday. I know some of the instructions might have been confusing. I've been doing my best to try to figure out how to teach an essay online. And to be honest, I don't know the best way, but I'm trying my best, and I know you guys are too. A couple of us have submitted the outlines, and I've taken a look at them, and I think we're on the right track. Um, and I want you guys to stay positive throughout this process. You're gonna have a little bit more time this week, so if you're stressed about it, there's no worries. Okay, if you missed something that you needed to turn in this Sunday and you were confused about it, I will not count that as a late grade. Okay, I hope after this video you have some better clarification. First off, I hope you guys all enjoyed your weekend. It was great out. I was able to get out and do some hiking and do some different things with some family members. Had a family barbecue, so all that stuff was great. Just a little update on my life. I know you guys were all busy as well, so I hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. Like I said, this Sunday assignment that was due tonight, do not worry about it. I actually already changed it to due tomorrow because I hope this video will help you a little bit. And you will not receive late points on that, so do not worry. Difficult to write an essay to begin with. Online it might be a little bit more difficult just because I'm not there to teach you, but we're going to do our best, okay? And we're going to submit our best work. So I'm going to go to last Thursday's assignment. All right, if you guys clicked on 10.1, that's when we began working on our essay. Okay, brief PowerPoint on how the structure of the essay will work. Remember, it needs to be on why school is important. Okay, you need to have your 3 reasons on why school is important. Okay, and those 3 reasons need to each be in their own paragraph. So that gives you 3 paragraphs, as well as your introduction paragraph gives you 4, and then your concluding paragraph at the end will give you 5. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this outline for us. Like I said, I noticed a couple of us already have it turned in. Good job, you two. Those of us that haven't, do not worry. In class, we'll work on it tomorrow. If you're online, I'm giving you an extra day to work on it. And I apologize if you hear some dogs barking in the background. I'm actually outside enjoying the weather. So I'm going to go ahead and open this assignment with Cami and go over this outline with my online workers, okay? All right, so I've kind of filled out a little bit of it already on my end as far as we're working it on Thursday in class. Okay, remember your title needs to be why school is important. Okay, remember in this outline you do not need to have complete sentences. It is strictly a guide for you so you can jot down ideas so when you go to write your essay, all the ideas are already on the piece of paper for you, and you just need to make sentences out of them. Okay, so we should all have the same title, why school is important. Okay, now on here there is no place to outline your introduction paragraph. Okay, remember we still need to have an introduction paragraph informing the reader of what we are going to be writing about. Okay, so that would take place in your first paragraph. Okay, now I want to talk about the body paragraphs. Okay, you need to have 3 separate reasons why school is important to you. Okay, there is 50 million reasons why school can be important. Staying active, making friends, getting a good education so you can maybe go to college, get a good job, exploring or expressing yourself. Okay, there's all kinds of different ideas. I want you to choose 3 that are probably the most important to you and that fit your lifestyle the best, okay? So my example I gave up here, my first body paragraph, remember this is after my introduction paragraph. First thing why I think school is important, it helps me stay active. Okay, it helps me stay active. I'm a very active person, so I think that's one reason why school can be important to me. Okay, one example I used from a student in class, she likes to play volleyball. Okay, so that would be my first key star idea. And then over here, you need to explain one of your key star ideas. Okay, I know some of us went ahead and filled out the entire outline. But what I am requiring is just 2 stars per paragraph. Okay, 2 key ideas. You see the stars here. And then 1 explanation for each star. Notice how I do not have this one filled out. Okay, you just need to have 2. All right. Notice it says in directions here, 2 stars and explains are required. Okay, 2 stars, explanation for each are required. 3rd star is optional. So this is optional for you. Okay. All right. So then I need to have a conclusion for each paragraph, and it's always going to relate to why school is important. And this conclusion is always going to relate to the paragraph I just wrote, which is up here, staying active. Okay, this is why staying active is a huge part of school. Okay, so then I go on. I already have my introduction written. Here's my first body paragraph outlined. I'm going to do the exact same thing here for my second body paragraph. Notice my transition word next. Okay, next I'm going to be talking about a career. Okay, and why school is important to have a good solid career. Once again, I used an example from a student in class. The student wanted to become an engineer. All right, and then I just went over, explained it, had another key star idea. Okay, the student would like to make money from being an engineer and to provide for the future family. All right, that was their ideas. I think it is great. Okay, some of the stuff you guys have been coming up with. Awesome job. Okay, once again, the 3rd star is not required. Okay, I need to then fill out 1 more. Okay, make sure to throw in a transition word. How about last, comma, or finally? Okay, and then choose your 3rd thing to you why school is important. Fill out your 2 key ideas and then explain. Make sure you have a concluding sentence, right, for each paragraph. Okay, make sure you have a concluding sentence for each paragraph. You will then tomorrow turn in, because I changed it to tomorrow for being due, make sure you turn in and you will relate back to this outline in order to write your essay. Okay, all in all, you have 5 paragraphs. All right. I'm going to go ahead and go over to Schoology and kind of go through Monday's routine since you might be confused. Okay, I have it placed in a different area, so don't pay attention to any of this up here. This will be in first hour, so it will then transfer over to your folder. Okay, this is where I just do all my practice assignments and get it ready for you guys, okay? So you will see the 6th grade week number 7 folder, since tomorrow is October 5th. Ending on October 8th this week. Okay, here will be all of your folders. Going over Mondays for you guys. Okay, all it is today, nothing to submit. I just want you continuing to work on your essay. Okay, continuing to work on your essay. This is a great time for you to ask questions throughout the day. Okay, shoot me an email. What are you confused on? How do you write an intro paragraph? Okay. What are the requirements for each? Okay, and if you filled out that outline and you have a sentence for each key idea, a topic sentence, and then you explain each key idea, you will have plenty of sentences. Okay, so I'm not entirely worried about that. Also refer to that PowerPoint from last Thursday. It will give you the instructions on how long each paragraph needs to be. Okay, it needs to be somewhere in that 6 to 8 sentence range. Okay, for your body paragraphs, intro and conclusion can be a little bit shorter. All right, so if you click on essay continuation, notice there is nothing to turn in for Monday. Okay, it says today you will continue working on your essay that we started last week. Okay, remember you must complete the outline before writing what we just went over. Your essay must be 5 paragraphs about why school is important. And you will submit your essay on this upcoming Wednesday. This is wrong. Okay, I need to change this, so you're going to watch me change it right now. We will submit it Tuesday. Okay, we will submit it Tuesday, but remember, okay, if you need extra time to work on it, then you are allowed to do so. Okay, because I think this is a really important assignment we need to concentrate on. Okay, so today I want you to finish working on that outline. begin working on your essay. By the end of Monday, you should probably have a solid introduction paragraph, as well as a first body paragraph explaining your first reason why school is important. Okay? Please continue to refer to this video throughout the week. I'm going to now go over Tuesdays. Notice Tuesday has instructions here about continuing and finishing your essay. It says today you should continue working on your 5-paragraph essay about why school is important. By this time you should have your outline, introduction, and first body paragraph completed. Today you will complete body paragraphs 2 and 3 along with your conclusion. Alright, so that will get you to 5 total paragraphs. After you finish your essay, whether you typed it on Google Docs or wrote it on here by creating an assignment, I want you to submit it below this assignment where it says upload essay here. Go back. Here is upload essay here. This is where you will then create an assignment. Okay, multiple ways you can do it. Okay, if you wrote it on Microsoft Word, save it, upload it here. Okay, or you can create assignments. Go to create when it pops up, copy paste it into that box. If you wrote it on Google Docs, you just upload it here as well. Okay, anything that you prefer, I will accept. Okay, as long as at some point by the end of this day, the end of this week, I receive a 5-paragraph essay from you. Sorry, I can't speak. But just know that I'm going to be patient with you guys. I really want you to ask questions if you're unsure of anything as far as the essay goes and what you are supposed to be doing. Okay, once again, briefly, Monday you will be continuing to work on your essay. I'm going to give you time. Okay, and then Tuesday you should be working on it and finishing your essay. Remember, okay, if you are struggling for the requirements for the essay, you need to go back to last Thursday's folder and click on this PowerPoint for you. Okay, as I go through this PowerPoint, it's going to give you an introduction paragraph sample. So if you'd like to use this to refer to, go ahead. Okay, it's going to talk about transition words, first, next, finally. Okay, as you go throughout your essay, it's going to go over your essay outline if you are confused. And then it's going to go over a conclusion about how wrapping up your paper. And it also gives you a sample conclusion if you would like to use that to guide you as well. Alright, it gives you your instructions on how to write each paragraph. Alright, click back through it one more time for you guys. Notice here, 6 or 8 sentences per paragraph. Okay, if you work through it and you use your outline as a guide, okay, write each one of these points as a sentence, you will have plenty of sentences to meet the requirement. Okay, use your outline as a guide to help you. Also, don't forget, I'm always available through email. I'm doing my best to answer these messages as they come through Schoology. Okay, so I'm giving you a couple extra days to work on your essay. Please take advantage of that, and I hope to see some essays from my online students being submitted sometime this week. Alright, 6th grade, keep up the good work. Remember that the first quarter ends Thursday, so if you are missing some assignments, never a bad option to go through these folders and figure out what you are missing so that you get the grade that you want for first quarter. Alrighty, I will end this. I know it's a lengthy video, but thank you for listening. It is important to get these instructions. I will talk to you guys later. I hope you guys are all doing well.